Just imagine you are going to work one day and it started raining. You are not able to see the vehicle in front of you and you have to drive very slowly because there's water on the surface. There has to be a better way. Well, there is. Permeable pavement system. These roads not only provide solution to above problems but also reduces noise and refills groundwater level. But like any pavement, these roads also suffer problems like lower strength, high particle loss, and potholes. Do not worry, we have a solution. Hi, I'm Anik Gupta. I'm a SWOT researcher from India. I'm working on resilient and sustainable permeable pavement system for urban floods. It's a Marie Curie project in SaferUP. I'm working in University of Cantabria in Spain. I am trying to improve the porous asphalt mixtures using two main constituents of porous asphalt mixtures, the bitumen that I have prepared in my research stay at Madrid, and I have considered a variety of fibers, namely cellulose fibers, glass fibers, and aramid fibers. And then I have analyzed these fibers using multi-criteria decision analysis and chose the best one, that is aramid pulp, on the basis of economical factors, environmental factors, functional factors, and mechanical factors. Now the question is, where can we implement these permeable pavement system? These pavements can be implemented at various locations based on the rainfall intensity, ground surface condition, flow accumulations. This we have analyzed using geographic information system. Now we will prepare a multi-criteria decision modeling tool that will tell you which permeable pavement system is most suitable for your location. Namaste, SaferUP, thinking beyond the pavement.